Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Children, yesterday we read about the poem Aim High to the Sky. I hope all of you learned it. And have you drawn this picture? What what do you wish to become when you grow up? If you have not, if you do not do it, okay. Here you will draw a picture. What do you want to become when you will grow? Okay. Children, now we will do the exercise of this lesson. Choose the correct option. आपने point पढ़ी है तो on the basis of learning of this poem you will learn answer. The poet says, aim high to the sky. It means what is this? To fly in an aeroplane in the sky, to touch the sky with our hand, to do something to the best of our ability. तो एम टू टच द स्काई चिल्ड्रन कि हमें कुछ ऐसा करना है अपनी एबिलिटी के दम पर. टू मीन्स टू डू समथिंग टू द बेस्ट ऑफ आवर एबिलिटी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. ओके. सेकेंड is the poet ask us to be tall and strong, rich and proud, strong and brave. How can we achieve our goal? Becoming tall and strong? No. Rich and proud? No. How can we? We have to become strong and brave. Then we can achieve our goal. Now third, the poet says we should always use our mind, use our power, use our money to fulfill our dream. We have no need of power, we have no need of breath, we have to use our mind. How could we get our goal? Okay, children? The three answers, this question you will do in the book only. Right? After that, questions, answer the question. तो when we should be aim high, हमारा एम हाई कब होना चाहिए? वी शुड एम हाई इन वट एवर वी डू, कि हम जो भी काम हम करना चाहते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम अ प्लेयर, if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become an engineer, if you become a soldier, want to become a soldier or a pilot, the children, for that you should always, your thinking should be high. Then you can achieve your goal. Okay. Second question, what does the poet say? We never know. तो पोइट ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं कि हम इसके बारे में नहीं पता, अभी हमें इसके बारे में नहीं पता. तो द पोएट सेज वी नेवर नो व्हाट इट टेक्स टू बी आवर बेस्ट फॉर्म, कि अभी आप छोटे हैं, अभी आपको नहीं पता कि आप जो भी वर्क कर रहे हैं ये आपका बेस्ट फॉर्म होगा, आपको किस वे पर आपको लेकर जाएगा. दैट इज द पोएट टेल अस we never know. Third is, what are the three qualities the poet want us to have? What are the three qualities to achieve our goal? That is, we should strong, brave and kind. हमें दूसरे लोगों के प्रति we should be polite also, not cruel. Okay, so that is the three answer. I will send their answer in a PDF. These questions you write in the notebook. Okay. Now children, next there is vocabulary. Vocabulary means meaning, words meaning. So these are rhyming words. Words that end the same sound are called. जो वर्ड दो टू वर्ड्स हैं जिनकी सेम साउंड है, जैसे अब आप यहाँ पर यू कैन सी हियर डू, you, the same sound है. No, there is no opposition. Kind, mind, you are seeing both words sound is same. Like this you will make the word, rhyming word of the sky, high, you, do, kind, mind, bag, rag or tag, cake, take, rake, hug, mug, rug. Okay, what are these? These are the rhyming words. So these rhyming words you will do. Write 2 rhyming words for each. Okay, one I am telling you, other you will do yourself. Bag, that is tag, fit, meat, frog, log, hat, mat, tall, mall, tin, fin, flag, she, that is others you will do. So I will not tell you. You will write other things. Okay, one I told you and do in the book on. That's all, children. Have a good day. Thank you.